Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will learn about subjective pronouns and how to use them with the verb be and. Contractions. Let's start by remembering what subjective pronouns are. Subjective pronouns are words we use to refer to the person or people who perform the action in a sentence. Here are the subjective pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Section 1. Using be with subjective pronouns. The verb be is a special verb that shows a state of being. We use it to describe who someone is or what something is. Example, I am a student. Here I is subjective pronoun and am is a be verb. Here are some examples. You are my friend. He is a teacher. She is happy. It is a sunny day. We are ready. They are in the park. Section 2. Contractions with be. Contractions are shortened forms of words. When we use the verb be, we can make contractions to speak more quickly and naturally. Examples: I am, I'm. You are, you're. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. We are, we're. They are, they're. Section 3. Common mistake. Example, I'm a teacher. Remember, here many people make the mistake of saying, I'm teacher. That's wrong. You have to put a. Okay? Section 4. Practice sentences. First one, you're very nice. Here subjective is you, verb be is are, contraction is your. Okay, next. Repeat with me. We're sisters. We're sisters. Next, he's my brother. He's my brother. Next, she's excited. She's excited. Last, it's cold outside. It's cold outside. Great job! Today, we learned about subjective pronouns, how to use them with the verb be, and how to make contractions. Remember to practice these sentences. Thanks for watching! If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time!